Let me show you exactly what happens when you trade without structure, and compare it to what happens when you actually know what you're doing. Because this right here, this is not trading. This is guessing. Meet Tanja. She's live on stream, shorting the NASDAQ 100 at 9:42 a.m. on September 22nd. On the 1-minute chart. And here's what's wild. She thought this was a great short setup. But within seconds, that trade goes dead against her. The market rips right through her stop, and she just shrugs it off like nothing happened. No explanation, no structure, no accountability, just vibes and excuses.
Yes is looking weaker. See if I get filled here for NASDAQ. Okay. All right, I got filled in the short. The stop is the high. Yeah, I would probably go for like these lows. So if I'm wrong, I'll get stopped out like very quickly, and that's fine. But I think this is worth a shot to go short at. Risking 20 points to make a lot more. I'll also be watching ES to see if it hits the level. This is 830 low. It's 830 open here. So you can watch the CES. I wouldn't really want to see ES start getting stronger here, but we'll see. Hey, what did you guys vote for what you prefer? Yes, 72% prefer NASDAQ over and 28% prefer ES. Interesting. So far, since I entered, I'm like holding in drawdown for about 2 minutes. My thought process is simply like, I think that this is going to be an upper wick on the 15 and the hourly. So I'm a short versus that high. If I'm wrong, then whatever. Then ES is going to dig into here. ES is definitely not showing. It's showing more strength now. So I might get stopped soon. But it's fine if I do. Simply wait again. ES still hasn't hit new high day. So that's decent. It's definitely, yeah, not a quick, whichever way it's going, it's not going quickly. A lot of wicks. Wicks be wicking today. Recently, this is where people will probably put their stops if they're long, right? It's probably what I'll put my TP at, actually. Yeah, it's 9:46. Yes, just made a new hive session. So basically, this is like the last moment where it could reverse for NASDAQ if that decides to be the divergence. But I don't. We'll have to just see. Basically, has to reverse here if I'm going to be right. Let's see. It's just hang around in this 1 minute. I don't like that it inverted it, right? And it's holding above. So I wouldn't be surprised if I get stopped, but gotta continue holding this. I put my stop up here for a reason. Let's see. Okay, stopped out on that first short. Back to the drawing board. We gotta just wait it out here. ES is in this area now. Basically, if I go short again, I'm gonna demand this low to get taken. That would be the confirmation for me. I don't want to get short before this low gets taken and this gets inverted. So that's basically where we held up, right? Unfortunate.
Now let's go to our charts. CYMO Pro, the granddaddy, the real deal. Let me walk you through this with some real structure. 9:40 a.m. We get a pivot trade. We've seen this pattern 1,000 times. It's short-lived by design. You don't marry a pivot. You date it for 2 bars and move on. 9:42 a.m. Cycle crosses above momentum. Game over for the short. 9:43 a.m. Cycle crosses 0. We're officially long. Not because we guessed, but because CYMO said, it's time. And guess what? That move ran until 9:56 a.m., a 3-cycle trade to the upside. Tanja got stopped out, and instead of dissecting the why, she brushed it under the rug. This is the difference between hoping you're right and knowing when you're wrong. Every single CYMO trader who had structure, who was listening to the signals, never would have taken that short. They would have waited, confirmed, and taken the real trade, the one with legs, the one with logic, the one that actually works. Look, this isn't about roasting anyone. It's about waking you up. You can keep following random internet traders and praying your trades work out. Or you can trade with structure, confirmation, and clarity. CYMO Pro isn't just some tool. It's a truth detector. It tells you what's real, what's noise, and when the market is actually ready to move. Want to see what trading with structure feels like? Start your 7-day free trial of CYMO Pro. Link in the description. Don't trade another session blind.